Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Create a free Rank Math account and access its site analyzer tools today. Open your Blogger dashboard and confirm you own the blog. Enable custom robots, TXT, and header tags in settings now. Copy the verification meta tag from Google Search Console into Blogger head HTML. Use Rank Math Site Analyzer to scan your homepage for quick SEO issues. Save changes and wait for Search Console verification to complete. This preparation sets the stage for metadata, schema, and sitemap integration. Open Rank Math Tools and create optimized title and meta description templates. Copy the title and meta description snippets into Blogger head HTML for site-wide defaults. Add open graph and Twitter meta tags so social previews render correctly. Insert a canonical tag on posts to prevent duplicate content penalties. For individual posts, paste unique title and description snippets inside the post HTML widget. Save each post and confirm the meta outputs using the Rank Math Site Analyzer. Generate JSON LD schema snippets in Rank Math tailored for articles and pages. Paste those JSON LD scripts into your Blogger post templates or individual post HTML. Create a sitemap URL matching your Blogger feed and format it for Google Sitemap requirements. Submit the sitemap URL inside Google Search Console to index more pages faster. Use Rank Math Site Analyzer and Search Console to monitor clicks, impressions, and errors. Regularly update meta templates and schema based on performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.